To remove all widget from your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the widget bar below the clock and then tap the red minus icon or remove icon on each widget to remove it. Tap the button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, there's no widget anymore on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.